Welcome back to our channel Authentic. The Suzuki Swift 2025 is more than just a compact hatchback. It's a statement of efficiency, style, and modern engineering. Renowned for its blend of agile handling, advanced features, and a distinctive design, the 2025 Swift continues to build on its legacy. This year's model offers a perfect mix of sportiness and practicality, making it a top choice for urban commuters and driving enthusiasts alike. The 2025 Suzuki Swift sports a refreshed exterior design that is both sleek and dynamic. The front end features a bold, redesigned grille with a mesh pattern, flanked by sharp LED headlamps with integrated daytime running lights. The bonnet has been slightly raised, giving the car a more aggressive stance. The body lines are more pronounced, running smoothly from the front to the rear, accentuating the car's aerodynamics. The rear is equally striking, with redesigned LED taillights that provide a modern and crisp light signature. The new 16-inch alloy wheels feature a dual-tone finish, adding a touch of sportiness to the overall look. Interior comfort and technology. Step inside the 2025 Swift, and you're greeted with a cabin that's both functional and stylish. The seats are upholstered in a high-quality fabric with contrast stitching, and the driver's seat now comes with enhanced lumbar support. The dashboard features a redesigned layout with a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster is semi-digital, with a 4.2-inch TFT display providing essential driving information. The overall interior design is minimalistic yet sophisticated, with soft touch materials used on key touchpoints. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Suzuki Swift 2025 is powered by a 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol engine, delivering a refined balance between performance and fuel efficiency. This engine produces around 89 horsepower and 120 Nm of torque, paired with a 5-speed manual or a CVT transmission. The lightweight construction of the Swift allows for a nimble and responsive driving experience, particularly in urban settings. The car's suspension has been tuned for comfort without compromising on the sporty feel that Swift owners have come to love. One of the standout features of the 2025 Swift is its all-grip all-wheel drive system, available in select variants. This is a rare offering in the compact hatchback segment and significantly improves the car's handling in adverse weather conditions. Another lesser-known feature is the Auto Gear Shift AGS technology, which combines the convenience of an automatic with the control of a manual transmission, making it perfect for city driving. The car also offers a 360-degree camera system, a feature typically reserved for higher-end models. This system provides an overhead view of the car's surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier. Additionally, the Swift 2025 comes with Suzuki's smart hybrid technology, which uses an integrated starter generator to assist the engine during acceleration and improve fuel efficiency. The Suzuki Swift 2025 is a well-rounded package that caters to a wide range of drivers. With its stylish exterior, tech-savvy interior, and efficient powertrain, it stands out in the crowded compact car market. The unique features like the all-grip all-BE and Auto Gear Shift technology, along with its smart hybrid system, make it a compelling choice for those who want a blend of practicality and driving pleasure. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway, the 2025 Swift promises a driving experience that's both enjoyable and economical. If you like the video, subscribe it and hit the like button and comment on it. Thanks for watching.